Jason at Breakpoint. Today we're making pinto beans. Simple, healthy. Well, we're going to put bacon in, so it might not be so healthy to some people, but it will make it taste better. So we're going to start off with, we're going to make, let's say, 4 cups of beans. You can make, or 2 cups of beans. You can make 2 or 4, whatever you want to make. It doesn't matter. It's all the same. It's made the same way no matter how much you want to make. This is around 2 cups, a little bit over 2 cups, but that would be enough. Now it's important so you don't break your teeth, because you don't want to trust just the manufacturer. You want to spread these beans out on the table like this. And you want to take out the broken ones. You're just sorting the beans, and you're looking for rocks when they clean these things. Just give them a quick little look. Then what we're going to do, we're going with an onion. So just want to cut this bad boy. This is just for flavor, so you don't have to really worry about it. Just take off the skin. And we're going to quarter it. Something like that. Just cut those off. I'm just going to cut the ends off. This will go into the pot. We're going to use an Instant Pot today because we're lazy and running out of time. If you don't use an Instant Pot, it'll take you 3 hours. If you use an Instant Pot, it's only going to take you about an hour. I'm going to rinse these real quick. And these beans we get are pretty clean already. They're pre-washed. So this is what it looks like in there. I'm going to fill up. There's a line in your Instant Pot, max. So I'm going to fill this up with water real quick. And let me see here. We're going to grab some garlic. Now you can use fresh garlic, cloves in here if you want, or granulated garlic. You know, put in a tablespoon or a couple tablespoons of granulated garlic if you want. It's no big deal. I'm just going to take them out of the shell basically and pop them in. You don't have to worry about dicing them up or cutting them up. Boom. It's just for the flavor. And garlic's really good for you guys, so that, and then I'm going to add a little salt. About a tablespoon. No big deal. Bam, in it goes. Give that a swirl. Now, if you really want to flavor them, you can add cumin to it. You could add cilantro, especially if you have dry cilantro. You know, we have it up here somewhere. You could go like this, get some of this. You could add a little cumin, but I don't think I'm going to do that. This is dried cilantro. Add some of that in there. And then, now if you're vegetarian, you can stop right there. Yeah, but we're going to make this with bacon today. Or if you have ham hock, you could use ham hock, no problem. So I'm going to throw that in there like that. And then 1 hour in the Instant Pot on high, you're done, and we'll be back when it's done. All right, guys, we're back again. The beans are done. Took about an hour, and I was busy cooking some other stuff, so I let it, what do you call it, de-steam, deregulate all by itself naturally. So that took about an hour and 30 minutes, something like that. And this is what it came out like. If you look in here, here are your beans. Set it and forget it. Now, if I wasn't using an Instant Pot, I would have done the same exact thing in a stock pot and let it go for 3 hours. No soaking. You don't have to pre-soak. You can pre-soak. They will cook faster if you have the time the night before. But let's say that you didn't do that. You didn't have the time. You need some beans. You're 3 hours out if you're going to do it on the stove. Or if you're in an Instant Pot, you're about an hour and a half out. They say an hour, but you know, I would just go an hour and a half just to be safe. Just to give yourself time. Remember, the Instant Pot takes about 12 minutes to heat up before anything happens. So, with all that said, remember, folks, the recipe's down in the description below. We also have a tortilla video that you can see that will be right there. So, thank you very much.